Embark on a revolutionary journey with inventions for pickup trucks that redefine convenience and performance. Discover game-changing innovations designed to elevate your driving experience. If you don't need a dump truck, the MVS team suggests improving your pickup's aerodynamics, which are often not ideal. MVS developed the Aero X cap from the ground up, attaching it to the cargo box for easy opening with gas shocks. For an additional cost, buyers can choose a rear spoiler or a sound system. The X was first introduced for the Ford F-150, with promises on their website for versions for Chevrolet, Ram, Toyota, and Nissan. The F-150 version is priced at $7,500. The creators of BedLock introduced the first adjustable divider system for pickups. Initially priced at $400 for a 1.7 truck bed, the concept is straightforward. Special tiles with adjustable spaces for versatile load accommodation. Despite a setback in their Kickstarter campaign, BedLock is now made to order at $499, showcasing the company's resilience. Lots of pickups dream of being dump trucks when they grow up, and they love getting upgrades like the Busy Dumper. With different versions to choose from, the main idea is turning your pickup into a dump truck. One model can carry up to 2.7 tons and fits pickup beds up to 2.4 meters long. For about $464, the upgrade includes an extra set of tail lights, labor, and other necessary items. Black armor mats aren't just naturally handy. This innovative creation has a patented touch. A bag of the Gamma model is priced at $190. According to the creators, these mats aren't just for wealthy car owners. They inspire and encourage drivers to push their limits. Made from recycled tires, black armor mats offer a new life for materials, showcasing strength, flexibility, and easy maintenance. Whether opting for a universal size, 1, 5x1, 9M, or a specific make and model design, these mats, at 1.2 centimeters thick, don't absorb water, eliminate odors, and are a breeze to clean. The cost for one mat is about $330. Before we dive deeper into the video, join us on this epic journey. Like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling content. RoverKing creators set out to turn vehicles like Jeep Gladiator and Toyota Tacoma into campers. Priced at around $330 per mat, their innovation is a gray system on the truck bed, weighing less than 300 kilograms. Beyond providing beds for 3 or 4 people, it also features a dining area. With thermal insulation, RoverKing allows year-round vacations. Opt for the premium package at $15,400 for extras like a solar panel, LED lighting, USB ports, and more, making your camping experience even better. Explore this ingenious beach umbrella and canopy hybrid. Offering 10.7 square meters of sun and rain protection, it rotates 360 degrees, weighs a mere 17 kilograms, and unfolds in just 90 seconds. Securely attach it directly to your car, and you can snag this sunshade for just $995. Is your pickup bed feeling a bit empty? Fear not. These experts have a bold solution. Massive exhaust pipes that exceed 20 centimeters in diameter. What sets this upgrade apart is the ingenious use of a drainage pipe by one of the craftsmen. With their unique touch, your pickup is about to make a statement and turn heads wherever you go. Say goodbye to the ordinary and embrace this bold enhancement for a distinctive and eye-catching look. Get ready to roll in style. Interested in practical storage solutions? This one conveniently attaches directly to the tailgate. Though it does require some cutting and drilling for installation, it allows you to make the most of the space by storing essential items like tow cables, a first aid kit, tools, and more. The truck bed's basic functionality stays intact, and you can even enhance it further by adding an LED strip. This efficient system is available at a price of $595. MobileStrong means serious business. Crafting safes ideal for storing firearms. These boxes are cleverly mounted over the wheel arches, making use of previously neglected space for heightened security. You have the option to add a code panel to the lock. A standard safe has a generous capacity of up to 159 kilograms and is available at a price of $1,085. Next in line is the Great Day Steps. The compact version handles up to 136 kilograms, and the larger one manages up to 181 kilograms. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, they weigh around 7 kilograms and 13 kilograms, respectively. The larger step, with handles on both sides, adds to its appeal. The smaller step is more budget-friendly, priced at just $281, while the larger one is available at $422. Enter BoxTamer, a product crafted to segment your cargo bed effortlessly. The creators claim it's compatible with any pickup on the market. Installation is a breeze. Just place the divider, adjust the width, and secure it in place. When folded, the BoxTamer measures 15.5 centimeters long. Grab this practical cargo solution at an affordable price of $112. Own a pickup and an ATV? Check out these SXS cargo platforms tailor-made for you. They're designed to carry equipment up to 4.2 meters long and 1.9 meters wide. With a high payload capacity, the SXS2 versions support up to 1,293 kilograms. The company has optimized it to perfection, enabling the rider to feel the moment when the ATV is in the ideal position. Grab the SXS2 platform at a price of $3,300. If the earlier product seemed a bit steep, prepare to be amazed. This tailgate upgrade kit comes at a more affordable $2,150. It presents an intriguing solution. Once installed, the tailgate becomes a ramp when needed. The H part can handle up to 37.5 kilograms, and with the optional folding section, you get extra cargo space, boosting the capacity to 385 kilograms. Recent reports suggest that some countries are mulling over a unique law. Drivers may be prohibited from hitting the road if they've slept less than 4 hours. But what if you're on a long journey in your pickup, far from hotels, and the cab isn't the coziest place for a nap? Introducing Cowtown Sleepers, the company behind these capsules. The Roadrunner version hides a bed approximately 190.5 centimeters long, with prices for this product starting at $3,900.